So it's been a couple of days since we've done an AMC stock video, so I figured, hey, it's the middle of the week, and it's actually the middle of the day in the middle of the week, guys. So what better time to do an AMC stock video than right now? So let's break down the charts, talk about what I'm looking to do, where I can see this thing potentially go, because nothing is guaranteed. But before we actually dive into that, don't forget to get up to 17 free stocks for Moomoo, each up to $2,000, which that's guaranteed. All you have to do is use that link down below or go to StockSurfest.com/Moomoo, open up your account, fund it with at least $100, and you get a free share of C3AI stock right off the bat, which is $35-40 a share, and that's exclusive to this channel. And you get 5 more stocks, totaling 6 stocks, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks on top of those 6 stocks, totaling 16 stocks. And guys, listen to this, fund it with at least $5,000 on top of all the stocks you already got, the 16 stocks you already got. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. And again, guys, the clock is ticking. Use that link down below. You have 2 more days to do that. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate you guys as always, as that does help out the channel. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So right now we have AMC stock, and mind you, the markets are doing very well today in general. And we have AMC stock up around 0.9%, up around 3-4 cents roughly on the day, chilling at about $4.13-14 at the time that I'm making this video. And you guys can see right off the bat here on the intraday, and maybe at the end of the video, if we have time, we'll break down the markets, which, like I said, very green right now, guys, very green. So make sure you guys stick on throughout. But here on the intraday chart on AMC, you guys can see we have an ascending triangle that's forming. Do you guys see that? We have higher lows being made. We have, at least over the past couple of hours here today and throughout the course of yesterday. And now we're just digging deeper and deeper into the triangle. And you'll notice yesterday, right before close, we peaked out at about 415. And where are we now? Well, right around 415. And where did we peak at about 11:45? 30 minutes ago, prior to me making this video, you guessed it, 415. And we also peaked earlier in the day at about 419.20. So this spot, guys, needless to say, is a very big resistance in the short term. And we're digging deeper and deeper into the triangle, which as of now is very, very bullish. And if I pull up the 5-day, 5-minute chart, guys, what we're noticing is we've been consolidating over the past couple of days. We held, right around 415, 420 on the 22nd of June, 23rd of June, right around 415. Same on the 26th, 7th, and so far today, which is the 28th. So that's a good sign. And are we getting the full breakout quite yet after the consolidation? No, we're not seeing that quite yet. But if this triangle plays out that we talked about a minute ago, then we might start seeing something like that. Maybe a full-on breakout towards, the mid-4s, maybe even higher, excuse me, from that point here on AMC. So AMC looking decent today, guys, on the 5-day. Again, not anything crazy when it comes to us breaking out, but we are consolidating, which is a pretty good sign. Now, one thing that's not the best sign is the fact that we're still under a major level of resistance, being right around the mid-4s. You guys can see if I pull the 4-hour chart up, that is a big spot here on AMC. We actually bottomed at around 450 back in the middle, and actually that was the end of May. We bottomed at about 450, and also about a week ago we held 450, then we ran right through it, which now it's obviously it was support, but now it's become resistance. So we have to break out, guys, of 450, which is also right by the 50 SMA here on the 4-hour chart, and you guys can see we're also well under the 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart as well. So this is not looking that great at all by any stretch of the imagination, guys, on the 4-hour chart. But again, on the 5-day, we're starting to maybe turn around a little bit. We're seeing little signs of that, but nothing crazy quite yet. And here on the 4-hour chart, guys, one thing worth mentioning is we called this out, actually. The descending triangle played out. We fell through 440, 450. Like I said, we got down to about $4. And look at this, guys. Let me clear the drawing set and show you this. On the 4-hour chart, do you guys notice we have an overarching, descending triangle? You guys probably see that, right? We have this playing out right here, which is not the best sign for the bulls at all. This is actually very, very bearish, guys. I mean, if we do fall through, and mind you, the support which we held is right around $4, $3.75, which the fact that we're holding that now, that's great. But if we fall through that point, guys, we're not going to be looking so good on the downside. At that point, AMC might be going down to the lower threes, in my opinion, maybe mid threes, lower threes probably, which you guys can see we've held this point, $3.75, $4, ever since November, December. We've held it for the entire year, and you guys can see on the 3-year chart, we've held it over the past couple of years. The last time AMC was under $3 a share, guys, was before the whole meme rally even began. Before AMC had its crazy run, that's the last time it was under $3 a share. So keep that in mind, guys. This thing has slowly but surely been getting back to its fundamental value, which you could argue $4 is what it's worth fundamentally. I don't know. I'm not here to make that argument. But it looks like if it does break 4 again, we can start slipping even more based on the descending triangle here on the 4-hour chart. And I know some of you guys might be mad at me now. You might hit the dislike button, but the reality of the matter is, guys, that's what I'm seeing. And here on the channel, I'm not going to sugarcoat things. I'm not going to be like, oh, it's always going to go up. Oh, yeah, load the boat. Oh, yeah, do this. And first of all, I can't tell you guys what to do. But I'm not going to be one of these hypesters out there that just tells you what you want to hear. That's the last thing here that I'm going to do. And I keep it real, guys, and hopefully you've noticed that here on the channel. Maybe not. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. But yeah, that's a quick breakdown here on AMC. The bulls have a fighting chance. That's if they hold 4, but we fall through 4 into the 3s again. Oof, it's going to be rough, in my opinion. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And let's quickly look at what the markets are doing right now, which they're all in the green except for the Dow. Let's see here, guys. We have the Dow down about 0.1%, so pretty much at break even. Not that big of a deal. The S&P is up 0.1%. All right, you could argue that's also pretty much break even, but continuing the gains from yesterday, which is great. We have the NASDAQ and the Russell. Each of those are up about 0.3, 0.4%, leading the indexes here in the U.S. Not bad, as the VIX is down 1.5%, and we have gold and silver down on the day as well. Gold's down 0.2% roughly, as silver's down double that, 0.4%. And what we're noticing here, guys, on SPY is, let me pull it up and show you, this is continuing the uptrend as of now, by the looks of it, right? We bounced off that 180 SMA on the 4-hour chart, and now we're starting to break the channel here on the 10-day 30-minute chart, and we're pretty much one full breakout away from this taking off. Do you guys see we're above the channel now? We have a cup and handle here as well. You guys see that cup and handle forming clear as day. Boom, cup, handle. We break through that 437 mark, which, mind you, we already did earlier today, but now we're slightly under it. So let me see if we retest and break it. If we do, there's going to be a full-on breakout on SPY, in my opinion. 440, 445. Who knows where next? And triple Q, guys, let me pull it up and show you. Oops, wrong ticker symbol there. There we go. Triple Q. This is also starting to break out of this channel. We have an inverse head and shoulders on triple Q. You guys see that? We are above the moving averages. We have a golden cross. Now we're one full breakout away, which is right around 367. One final breakout away from this thing ripping back towards the highs, which I think is totally in the cards at this point, as it does seem like we are continuing the uptrend on the 4-hour chart. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments on the markets, AMC, and of course, make sure to subscribe, because we have a lot more stocks to talk about later today. I'll probably make a Virgin Galactic video, which their stock is up about 8% right now, as the window for their test flight is right now, 27th of June to the 30th. So we'll break that down later today, plus more. And before you guys click off, don't forget to get your free money for Moomoo, up to 17 stocks, each up to $2,000. Use that link down below. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get a free share of C3AI stock, which is around $35, $40 a share, and you get 5 more stocks, each up to $2,000. And fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 16 stocks, and fund it with at least $5,000. $1,000 on top of the 16 stocks you already got. You also get a free share of either Google or Tesla, guaranteed, which right now, guys, this is the best promo by far, and you only have 2 more days. So use that link. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.